Hi everyone, this tutorial is about creating a water effect through noise modifier, and we will go through a wave effect as well. So to do so, let's create a plane first. Use modifier panel to increase the segments of the plane, and now select noise from the modifier panel. And now if you play with seed and scale, you can see the effect of it. So, and to make the noise effect as similar to the water effect, increase the number of segments even more, make it dense. So now play with seed and scale and make sure you are modifying the z-axis. So the next part would be to create a wave effect. So select wave from the modifier panel and play with parameters of wave. And so yeah, this is it. This is how you can play with wave and noise effect. So what if you want to make an animation of it? So let's do an experiment of animation of the wave effect. So select auto from the animation panel, drag the timeline button ahead between 15 to 20 frame and change the parameters of the wave effect. So do the same thing with the key again for 4 to 5 times, and at the end play the animation. So this is how you can make an auto animation.